Hello everyone, this is a direct online motor control unit where we simply need an electric current to turn on the magnetic contactor, and to turn on and off we use the push button. But there is unique thing: when we release the button, the magnetic contactor will turn off. That's will we install the button lock so that the magnetic contactor does not die when the push button on is released. Okay, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.